Good morning, children.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam Malayaj Sheetalam Sasya Syamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Yeah, since we have only 40 minutes time for the class, from today onwards, we are going to just play Vande Mataram. Anybody is ready with thought for the day?
Ma'am, only 4 numbers only came, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll wait for others. So if anybody wants to share thought for the day, we can.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Ashita, are you ready with the thought for the day? Or shall I tell?
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah.
Look back and be grateful. Look ahead and be hopeful. Look around and be helpful.
Very nice. Look back and be grateful. Look ahead and be
Look ahead and be hopeful.
hopeful. Yeah, and look around and be helpful. Very nice. Wonderful.
Ma'am, can I say?
Good morning, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am, Vaishnavi?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Please tell.
Can I say?
Whatever is begun in anger ends with a shame.
Whatever
Whatever begins with anger
anger
ends
ends
with a
in
shame.
very correct.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can
Santosh.
I?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, cleanliness is next to godliness.
Next.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, Anurag, go ahead.
Do what is right, not what is easy.
Yes, do what is right, but not what is easy. Yeah, 13 students, 9 to. Shall we wait? Okay, meanwhile, I'll open your pages. And last classes, we discussed about first, second, and third person. Can anybody explain that? Avatich. Avatich? Avatich? Yeah. Can you please tell me what is first person, second person, and third person? Whatever you understood, you tell. It doesn't need to be exactly the way I said. Whatever you interpret.
Ma'am, first person is
Your video got stuck now, Tej.
that is called third person.
We didn't hear it. Your video got stuck in between. Can you explain once again?
Ma'am, the first person and second person will talk about one person, ma'am. Those persons are called third person.
No. Shall I suppose now you are talking, right? Avtej, turn on your video.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
1 second, ma'am. Okay, Vashita, tell something wrong with Navtesh.
Ma'am, the first person is the person who is speaking, and the second person is the person who the first person is speaking, and the third person
Speaking
is
to. Speaking to. Ah,
speaking to, and the third person is the person who is being spoken about.
exactly. Very true. Did you all understand what Varshita said? Aryan.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Yeah, all of you understood what Varshita said? Or any doubt, I will explain once again. Okay, I hope there is no doubt. It's very simple. I'll share the page.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Naina.
ma'am, you said we should dance and share the videos for the dance competition, right, ma'am?
Yes.
have shared it, ma'am. Ma'am, I have shared it, ma'am.
Yeah, it is all there in my WhatsApp. I'll just, whenever I have time, I'll see and I'll.
Music, ma'am.
First, we are in the process of collecting. Finally, we'll do the filtration. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, even with the singing competition also, right, ma'am?
Singing competition over long back. You remember?
Yes, ma'am, but you haven't given marks,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Huh? Marks
But
I
you
didn't
haven't
give,
given-
but we have already filtered. We will announce it very soon.
Okay.
Yeah, let's back. Let's
last date of dance, ma'am?
see. You please read the message properly. Everything will be there in the message. Let's start the lesson. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Which page? 42, I guess.
42 completed, ma'am. We are going to 44, ma'am.
43 also done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, I was talking about interrogative pronouns. Demonstrative we haven't started, isn't it?
Ma'am, demonstrated.
See, we did that possessive pronouns, yours, hers, and all those marbles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we did only 5. I asked you to do from 6 to 9. And
Yes,
then,
ma'am. We have done that.
then I was about to start demonstrative pronouns, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first let's see.
Ma'am, and you explained the definitions of demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns, ma'am.
Oh, I was about to talk about reflexive pronouns, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see a video based on demonstrative pronouns.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in your classes you are sending links, no, ma'am. We are not able to join only English links, ma'am.
Why?
It is showing incorrect password, ma'am.
Yes, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. I joined from that link only, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined from that link only,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
first you sent it the same for GK, no, ma'am.
no.
We are joining from that link, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm also not able to join, ma'am. Gagan.
Listen, last I updated a table. Finally, I've given updated table. That table you link. I think you are using the table which I've given before the updated link. Because I haven't added GK link, so again I updated. And I changed the link also because it was clashing with the third class which I take. So see the updated table link and click. And if at all you get an error, the standard password is 5th standard, right? Yours is 5th class. So password will be same, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay.
Demonstratives. Do you know what are demonstratives? Demonstrative.
All of you are concentrating?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just Varshit Reddy is calling. I'll just wait. What is maybe he's not able to log in. Shall I ask him to join that link, GK link? Huh? Satvik,
Yes,
how did you
ma'am.
know? Okay.
Ma'am, the same link for GK you send it, no, ma'am. That link, ma'am.
Demonstratives are words that tell us the location of a person or thing. There are 4 demonstratives: this, that, these, and those.
There are only 4 demonstrative. That is this, that, and these, and those.
This and that are used for singular words. For example, this cake, that cake. These and those are used with plurals. For example, these cakes, those cakes. Now, read these examples. This is a kennel. That is a kennel. These are street dogs. Those are street dogs. Do you see some similarities? In all the 4 sentences, the demonstrative stands alone and is not followed by a noun. Now read these examples. This girl loves dancing. That girl loves dancing. These children love to draw. Those children love to draw. Do you see some similarities? In all the 4 sentences, the demonstrative does not stand alone and is followed by a noun. Now let us revise. This and these are used for people and things that are near the speaker. Similarly, that and those are used for people and things that are far away from the speaker. For singular words, we use this and that. For plurals, we use these and those.
Clear? All of you see. Singular nouns, we use this and that. Plural, we use these and those. And this and that is used for the things which are very near to the speaker. And these and those are used for the things which are, this and this. THIS and THESE are used for the things which are very near to the speaker. This we will use for singular nouns and these we will use for plural nouns. And that and those will be used which are things which are far away from the speaker. Clear?
Ma'am, when something goes be ma'am, when something the eraser is very far, ma'am, that means that though this is a eraser, these are erasers.
No, if it is near, we will use these.
This is a eraser, ma'am.
This THIS, THESE is used for nearby things. THAT, THOSE is used for far away things.
Yes. Ma'am, but they are nearby only, no, ma'am. These and those.
Okay, let's open the page. Page number 44, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is 44.
Yes, ma'am.
37. Is it correct or there shall I increase the font?
No, ma'am, correct. It's correct, ma'am.
Ma'am, this one only, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. So see these demonstrative things. Read these sentences. This is a book, that is a book, those are my books, these are my books, those are my books. The words this, that, these, those helping to point out at people or things when you want to talk about people or things. So pronouns that are used to point out people or things are called demonstrative pronouns. And read these sentences. What are you doing? Who is knocking at the door? Whom do you want to meet? Which is your house? In these sentences, the words what, who, which are used to ask questions. I think you all know about this. What, who, whom, which. These are these are used to ask questions. So pronouns that are used to ask questions are called as interrogative pronouns. What are interrogative? What is interrogation? Yesterday I explained. Yeah, keep on asking questions until and unless you get the answers.
Answer.
Keep on asking questions. How do you ask a question? How do you frame a question? By using which words? What, who, whom, and
W words.
What, who, where.
What, whom, which, whose,
Where.
okay, these are called as interrogative pronouns. And let's come to reflexive pronouns. What are reflexive pronouns? The words such as herself, himself, herself, themselves. These highlighted pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. For example, she saw herself in the mirror. Sid hurt himself. She poured herself a cup of tea. The children enjoyed themselves. So these words reflect back. That means what is the subject in these sentences? In she saw herself in the mirror, what is the subject, ma?
She,
Subject
ma'am.
and predicate are what?
She, ma'am.
She. And Sid hurt himself.
Ma'am.
Sid. Yeah.
Ma'am.
And she poured herself a cup of tea.
She, ma'am.
The children enjoyed themselves.
Children.
So, you know what are the subjects, and these words herself, himself, herself, themselves, they are reflecting back or referring back. She saw herself means she's talking about herself, isn't it? She saw herself in the mirror means she's talking about, she's referring to herself. 1 second, Vashit Reddy is not able to log in. Yeah, Vashit Reddy.
When I'm joining into the class, the meeting ID was correct, ma'am. The
Password you know, no? 5678. That password only.
ma'am, I clicked the password, ma'am, but it is showing incorrect password.
You entered 5678 only, all of you?
What, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. When we type it is coming incorrect password, ma'am.
56 only they typed and they entered.
Correct password.
Then I don't know why it is coming. All of them entered like that. You click the GK link. You click the GK link which I have given earlier.
Okay, ma'am. Once I'll try.
Ma'am, I did not click the link, ma'am. I directly joined the link. I clicked the link and joined.
Yeah, some kids are able to. If you just click the link, only it is taking you. Anyway, please forget about
Yes, ma'am.
it. These words are referring back to the subject again. For example, Sid hurt himself means it's referring back to Sid. So these are the reflexive nouns. That is pronouns that refer back to the subject. Clearly understand what is referring back to the subject. Okay, now finally come to, yeah.
Click the link also, it is coming. Enter password.
Yeah, then you can enter password, right? 5678. It is simple, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. If we enter, it is showing incorrect password again.
Then how did you come?
Ma'am, 3-4 times I did like that. so I joined, ma'am.
Oh, after doing 3-4 times you entered.
Yes.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
see,
For one time only I entered. It is showing incorrect password, incorrect password, incorrect password.
Wait. Today I'll check the
Yes,
table
ma'am.
once again. Wait. Listen to me.
For me too, ma'am, like that incorrect password.
Wait. Today I will check again all the links and I'll send the updated table. Okay. Don't worry. And let's concentrate on the subject. Please don't talk about links. Then coming back to the last one, emphasizing pronouns. What is emphasizes? Emphasis. What is it? Emphasizes or emphasis? Stressing something. Okay. Talking about something in a very strong way. For example, I myself completed the work. So what am I doing? I did by myself. That means I alone did without anybody's help. If I'm stressing on myself, I myself completed the work. That is himself, myself is called as emphasizing pronoun. Similarly, he himself distributed the invitation cards. What do you mean that he did it alone? Okay, he did it by himself. Then she made the cake herself. That means here also herself means she did the cake all alone. Okay, without anybody's help. These highlighted words seem like reflexive pronouns, but these pronouns are too. But don't you think so? Himself, herself, myself also look like reflexive pronouns? You get confused, isn't it? Here also herself is there. Here also herself is there. Whereas herself here is reflexive pronoun. Here herself here is emphasive pronoun. See here. She poured herself a cup of tea. Here the herself is referring to the subject. Whereas here she made the cake herself. That means she did it by herself. So these pronouns are used to lay emphasis on someone or something in the sentence. Emphasis means some stress, some strong feeling. Okay. You want to see videos based on this? Shall I forward in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
you want to see videos based on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me 1 minute. I'll open the videos. First, we'll see personal pronouns. Have you seen the video? Personal pronouns video. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Possessive pronouns?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, we saw about demonstrative pronoun, ma'am.
Not today. Yesterday, the earlier classes.
Yes, ma'am. We saw demonstrative pronoun.
Not demonstrative. I'm asking about personal pronouns.
And my specialty is making all your app building dreams come true.
Possessive pronouns. Look at these sentences. This kitty is mine. Its fur is soft. Is that bicycle yours? This ball is his. That dress is hers. That car is ours. That house is theirs. The words mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, and its are pronouns that show who or what owns something. These pronouns are called possessive pronouns.
They can be used in place of possessive nouns or possessive adjective plus possessive noun phrase. For example, these books are my sister's.
Yeah, don't need to go into the deep. What are possessive pronouns? 1 second, I'll show. Yeah. Only remember these words: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. These 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are possessive pronouns. It talks about what someone possesses or what someone owns or what someone it belongs to. Did you clear?
Ma'am,
Just
it
remember
is also
owner.
possessive pronoun.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's ma'am.
It is also there. So ownership. Possessive means, come, Jessica, where are you saying? Please understand. Ownership. Possess means ownership. Okay? Clear? Only one word to remember. Next, we'll see about interrogative pronouns. What are interrogative pronouns? Can you tell me the 4 words?
Ma'am, interrogative pronouns.
What?
Ma'am, interrogative pronouns are
Which?
used to
What?
ask whom, for example, whom, which, what, who, whom, and which.
Yeah.
Which? What? Whom? Where, ma'am?
No, what are interrogative pronouns? I'm not asking
Hi,
examples.
friends. Today we will talk more about the types of
Which I used
pronouns.
to ask.
So let's start. We have already learned that there are 10 types of pronouns. We have learned about indefinite and distributive pronouns in our last section. Today we will learn about interrogative pronouns. As the name suggests, these pronouns are used to ask questions or are used in only interrogative sentences. There are only 5 interrogative pronouns: what, which, who, whom, and whose. As all of these interrogatives start with the common words WH, they are also known as WH words. Now let's learn about WH words one by one. The first in the list is what. What is a very flexible interrogative pronoun. It can be used to ask questions about people as well as objects or even abstract things like feelings and ideas. Example: what do you want for your lunch? Here, what is used for asking the things someone may want for lunch. What are your plans for tomorrow? Here, what is used for asking about something abstract like plans. What time are you coming tomorrow? Someone's feeling. Here, we have used singular after the interrogative plural noun. And when which is not followed by of, it takes where do you like the most?
Deeper. Just remember there are 4 words. What is which, what, whom, and who.
Which, what, whom, and
Who.
where.
Next. Interrogative is over.
Ma'am, even who's no, ma'am?
Yeah, what, whom, who, which.
Ma'am, I'm telling who's, ma'am.
Yeah, who's also.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's begin.
GoEnglish.tv Demonstrative Pro.
Demonstrative we already learned. No need. So let's get back to the exercises. I'm sharing the screen. Which page? Page number 44. All of you.
Screen is stuck, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Screen is stuck.
Ma'am, screen is stuck.
Ma'am, screen is stuck.
How?
Now it is okay.
Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns and write if they are emphasizing or reflexive pronouns. Yeah, Khyati, first one. Are you able to see or shall I increase the font?
Ma'am,
Can you increase the font?
Shall I increase the font?
Ma'am, can you increase the font?
Yeah, once. Now,
Ma'am, now it is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, but I can't see the down part.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Now I can see. Okay, Khyati, tell me, the girl
The girl has
hurt.
the girl hurt
Emphasizing or reflexing?
ma'am emphasizing.
No, reflexing. First, tell the word. For her, what we will use? Himself or herself?
Herself, ma'am.
So the girl hurt herself. So it is?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Herself is reflexive pronouns and herself is emphasizing pronouns also, right, ma'am?
Yeah, both herself is reflexive or emphasizing. It can be both. But you have to see the... Yeah, but you have to see the sentence and then decide. See, emphasizing. See here, emphasizing pronouns cannot be used as the subjects. Priya and myself hurt, myself studied together. This is wrong. Priya and I studied together. See this example. Okay, you will get used to. Okay, once you do the exercises, you will understand clearly. So the girl hurt herself. This is reflexive. The girl hurt herself. Yes. Last year, read the second one.
Ma'am, what we should write, ma'am? Herself we should write, ma'am.
Yeah. And write reflexive here.
Reflexive pronoun, ma'am.
Fill in the blanks with the suitable pronouns and write if they are emphasizing or reflexive. So write the girl hurt herself, and in this line write reflexive. Okay, last I read. She spoke to.
She spoke to me. She spoke to me
Herself.
herself. She
So
spoke to me herself.
emphasizing because she spoke to me herself. So we are emphasizing, isn't it? Right, emphasizing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Pragnesh, third one. For you, what is the reflexive or emphasizing pronoun? You means?
Yes. Have you, ma'am?
Have you?
Ma'am, I cannot. Yes, ma'am. Have you dash seen it?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yourself, right?
Have...
Her means herself. Him means himself. They means themselves. You means yourself, right?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Have you yourself seen it? Have you yourself? So he's emphasizing. So it's an emphasizing pronoun.
Yes, ma'am.
Varshita, fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. She herself solved the sums.
Yeah, she's stressing on herself, emphasizing on herself. So again, it is
Emphasizing.
emphasis. See, who got the doubt whether Pranavi, right? See here, remember that in reflexive pronoun, the reflexive pronoun refers to the subject. In the thing,
Okay.
the girl hurt herself, we said it is reflexive. Why? Because herself is referring to the subject, the girl. Now you got the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing will come. Pranavi, read the fifth one. It will become very clear for you. Read the fifth one.
Okay. The children behave.
Children, plural. So?
Themselves.
Huh?
Their self.
Not their, them, right? There is no their self, Pranavi. There is no word called their self. It is themselves. Okay?
Okay.
So THEMSELVES, themselves. So here themselves is referring to which subject? What is the subject in this sentence?
Children.
The children. So here themselves is referring to the subject. So what kind of pronoun is this? Reflexive. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice was breaking. Can you repeat again? All those. Your voice was breaking.
Yeah, the children behaved themselves. That is THEMSELVES. It is reflexive pronoun because themselves is referring to the subject, the children. Okay? In the reflexive pronoun will refer back to the subject in the sentence. Here, the children is the subject.
Ma'am, once can you tell third one, ma'am? I didn't understood that one.
Third one.
Yourself.
Yeah, have you yourself seen it? So we are stressing you that have you seen it? Have you seen it by your own eyes? Like that. So it becomes emphasis.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I am emphasizing on you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Satvik, read sixth one.
You dash gave me this card. You yourself gave me this card.
Again here I am emphasizing you. So it's obviously
Yes, ma'am.
emphasizing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Aryan, seventh one.
I chopped the vegetables myself.
Very good. Myself. And what kind of thing? You are emphasizing on yourself. So what is it? Emphasizing on you, obviously. Bhuvasha, eighth.
She completed the homework herself.
Very good. Again, we are stressing her. So it is
Teacher. Reflexive, ma'am.
no, we are emphasizing on herself, isn't it? She completed the work by herself. That means she did it all alone. So it becomes
Okay.
emphasizes only. Yeah. Rebecca, ninth one. Rebecca Sharon. Ashit Virat. Ritvika. Turn on your videos, please. I am not knowing whether you are present in the class or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Joel, I am seeing you after so many days. Joel, please read ninth one.
I dash requested the teacher to help me finish my homework.
So for I, what will come? See here. Joel, come to page number 44. In the emphasizes, read the first sentence.
Emphasizes, ma'am.
Yeah, first sentence. I. See here, ma. In emphasizes left side, 44 page above D.
Ma'am, I cannot see it, ma'am.
See here. Okay. Ritvika, can you see? I.
Ma'am,
See here. I
chopped.
see my cursor. See my cursor. I myself completed the homework. See, so here also same thing. I myself requested the teacher to help me finish the work. Okay, Ritvika, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I myself. So again it is emphasizing.
Can you tell first, second, and fourth one, ma'am? Because my call was hanged.
No problem. I'll send in the WhatsApp today only. Okay. Then underline the pronouns and write the kinds. Again, they are asking the same thing so that the concepts will become clear. Nitish, read. Read the